Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to calculate normalized difference vegetation index using LANDSAT, 8 dataset and ArcGIS. So actually the basic formula for NDVI is near infrared minus red over near infrared plus red. So just a brief introduction about what is near infrared region and the red region. I'm going to show you another image. You can see in this figure the energy is increasing from right side to left side. In the left side there is shorter wavelengths and in the right side there is a longer wavelength. Whenever the wavelength is shorter, the frequency is higher and the energy is also higher. Similarly on the longer wavelength the frequency is lower and also the energy is lower. So you can have an idea about infrared region and just showing this figure. You can see 10 raised to the power minus 1 to 1 is actually there is the visible region. So after visible region uh, just started a near infrared region NIR. Similarly there is also another Landsat formula. You can see if we are going to calculate NDVI using a Landsat 8 dataset, we have to use band 5 for near infrared region and band 4 for red. So let's begin how to download dataset and how to calculate NDVI. Just follow me step by step. So just open Google Earth. So here you can see, close it and go to File. If you have any location file, shape file, you can just use that file here. Go to import and after going to import you have to select that file. So here you cannot see any file, so just click down arrow and go to ESRA shape file. So clicking this one you will files will appear. So I'm just going to add Gilgit shape file, so just open it and click on yes. Okay. Save it. Yes. So in this way your shapefile will be added into the Google Earth. But just remember when you are going to download data from explorer.usgs website, the number of points should be less than 30. The points of a shapefile or your KML file. So to avoid any problem, we are just creating a new polygon. So add a polygon. So after clicking add a polygon, just click somewhere here and start selecting points. So starting from here, add 1 point in the other. So we need to make sure that the points should be 30 or less than 30. If the points will be greater than 30, your KML file will not be uploaded into the USGS website. So I'm not going beyond 30 points. So I think I am just okay. So almost all of my area is selected, and you can see, just click on OK. So your polygon is already added here. You can just turn off the other, click it, and right click here and go to save places. So you can click down arrow and save it as KML file, and you can name it depending upon your choice. So I'm just going to write as a Gilgit. So just close it and we are going to desktop. Let's see. So you can see our KML file is already appeared here. Okay, now open Google and go to artsexplorer.usgs.gov website and log into it. After logging in, you can find a KML or shapefile upload option. So just okay, so here you can see KML and shapefile option. So you can click on KML and select file. If you are going to upload shapefile, then it should be less than 500 points, but our shapefiles have a lot of points. So that's why I'm using our KML file. So just open our KML file here. You can see it is uploading. Okay, our file is already uploaded. You can see here. So after uploading your file, you can just click on datasets. You have to search for LANDSAT 8-9. So here you can find C2 L1. So you can see in the downward the LANDSAT 8-9 OLITIRSC2L1 is already selected. So click on results. After clicking on results, you will see some files. So you can see the files are available here. So just locate by clicking footstep. So you can see it is located somewhere here, and similarly the other file is upward, and so the second one is a little bit downward. So you can download all these files. I'm just going to download one for this particular video. Let's see this file. Just click on product option here and click on the download button. This one, 1.17 GB data. So it will start downloading. You need to wait a bit till the download is completed. Then we will go to calculate our NDVI. Okay, the files are downloaded already. You can see there are multiple files, but we need to work with the band 5 and band 4 as I previously discussed the formula. So just use control button and select these two, drag to GIS. So in this way these both of the file will be uploaded into the ArcGIS. After that, go to spatial analysis tool in the Arc toolbox. If you cannot find this, you can see here this icon. Just click on this one, this will appear. After going to spatial analysis tool, go to map algebra and raster calculator. So in this way you will go to a new tab. Okay, so here you have to use the formula as I already told you. You can see on the here as we will use a float and B5 minus B4. Here you can see B5 and B4. So this means fifth band and fourth band, and again divided by, we will use again float. So again we will use B5 plus B4. So here you can change its location where you want to save it. So I'm just using the default location. I'm just clicking on OK. So after clicking on OK, your raster calculation will be started, so you need to wait a bit. Okay, our raster calculation has been completed, and you can see its value is starting from minus 0.08 to 0.19. so we are just done with this file. We can remove this and just we can work on this. So just go to its properties, right click on it and go to its properties, and again you can check and go to its symbology here, and you can click on classified. So after clicking on classified, there will be multiple classes will appear. Okay, now you can change its ranges depending upon your choice. So I'm just going to start with the first break till 0, because other values will be less than 0, and you can see at okay. Next we can give the value of 0 to 0.03, and after that we are going next to this one 0.03, and we can give this to 0.3, and similarly we can add another variable of 0.3 to 0.5, so 0.5. okay, 0.03, 0.5 and greater than 0.5 or 0. You can see as 0.51. let's see, and click on OK. So in this way you can also change the color, so and also labels. So in the label tab we can set for less than 0 is water, and after that it is bare land, and after that it's sparse vegetation, and here you can use moderate vegetation, and you can see it's dense vegetation. So just click on apply, but we can also change its colors. So color for water, for bare land, for sparse vegetation you can use this one, moderate vegetation little bit darker, you can use maybe this one, and denser vegetation you can use the black color or something like that. So just apply and OK. So here you can see there are a lot of area with bare land and water bodies, because it is actually the area is mountainous, so a lot of snow covered area and bare area is also present there. So that's why this is looking like that. So you can see some green area, there is some sparse vegetation also there. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope it will help you in calculating NDVI and also in your research work. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot.